Okay, so this week we're going to learn about the FFA emblem. Okay, so this is what the FFA emblem looks like. There are different parts. There are 6 parts. So the first part is the ear of corn. The ear of corn provides the foundation of the emblem, just as corn has historically served as the foundation crop of American agriculture. So the ear of corn on the emblem symbolizes unity because crop has been grown everywhere in history in American agriculture. Okay, so unity is your key here for ear of corn. The eagle. So the eagle is on the top of the emblem, okay, a national symbol which serves as a reminder of our freedom and ability to explore new horizons for the future of agriculture. So just as in America the eagle symbolizes freedom, it does the same thing for the FFA emblem. So it symbolizes freedom. Okay, the rising sun is behind the owl on the emblem, and it signifies progress and holds a promise that tomorrow will be a new day glowing with opportunity. So just like every day when the sun rises, it's a new day. So that's what the emblem, on the emblem, that's what the rising sun symbolizes, is it's a new day, it's a promise. Okay, so if you see promise, okay, that's associated with the rising sun. The plow. Okay, the plow is what the owl sits on, okay, and it signifies labor and tillage of the soil. Okay, the plow is the backbone of agriculture and historically foundation of our country's strength. Okay, we don't really use plows anymore, we have tractors and all that, okay, but the plow symbolizes labor and tillage of the soil. So the owl, okay, the owl sits on top of the plow, okay, that's a mouthful, okay, but the owl symbolizes wisdom, okay, the knowledge required to be successful in the industry of agriculture. So the owl, we won't get to do this, but most of the time I go through opening ceremony, and the advisor, which is the teacher, is stationed by the owl due to wisdom. So the words. So the words agriculture, education, and FFA are on the emblem. Okay, here you go. You can see the emblem right here. So agriculture, education, and FFA. Okay, they symbolize learning and leadership. Okay, you are going to learn. Oh, go back. You're going to learn in agriculture, education, and then FFA is all about leadership. Okay, so here's the eagle. It symbolizes freedom. Okay, the ear of corn is unity, the rising sun is promise, the owl is wisdom, and the plow is labor and tillage of the soil.